Here's how I like to make Thai curry right at home. For the curry paste, we can either go with a food processor or the old school mortar and pestle. I'm gonna use a food processor because it's quicker. Throw in 5 cloves of garlic, roughly 21 grams. Traditionally, galangal will be used, but if you don't have that, ginger is a perfect replacement. 12 grams of ginger, remember to peel the skin. 100 grams of either red or yellow onion. 2 stalks of lemongrass, roughly 30 grams. A form of green chili, preferably Thai chili, but if you don't have Thai chili, any other green chili can be substituted. Remember to remove the seeds if you don't want it too spicy. 30 grams of coriander. Traditionally, mostly the coriander roots are used for that delicious earthy flavor. It's a little bit hard to get coriander roots in South Africa, so we're just going to be using the leafy bits instead. Throw in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Next up, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you don't have fish sauce, you can substitute it for 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce or soy sauce. Cut a quarter of the lime and squeeze in the juice. Throw in a teaspoon of black peppercorns, blend. Throw in roughly a quarter cup of coconut milk, blend again. And that's your curry paste. Throw in your chopped up potatoes into a pot of boiling water. I've put in roughly 500 grams of potatoes. Cook until you can easily poke it through with a fork. Once they're done, strain them and set them to the side. In a preheated pan, add in any oil you like. I personally like to use ghee for that extra boost of flavor. We'll be searing our chicken. I'm using deboned chicken thighs and drumsticks. Flip. Don't worry about cooking them through, we're just doing this initial sear to get some browning. Take them off the heat. I threw in another 4 chicken thighs, that in total 4 drumsticks and 4 chicken thighs. Now we're throwing in another heaping tablespoon of oil. I'm going to be using ghee again, but feel free to use any oil you like. Throw in 3 heaping tablespoons of the curry paste. Now medium to low heat, cook the curry paste for roughly 5 minutes. Then we'll be throwing in green beans, roughly 150 grams. Now add in roughly 800 mils of coconut milk. With your wooden spatula, now start deglazing the pan, scraping off all the brown bits at the bottom. Those are super flavorful and will infuse into the curry. Salt to taste, and let this cook on medium heat for roughly 5 minutes. We'll be chopping up our chicken thighs into chunks like this. After 5 minutes, throw in your chicken and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes are up, add in your potatoes. Make sure all the potatoes are covered by the curry, cooking this on low for another 10 minutes. And this is how it looks like when it's done. Now on a bit of rice, add in your curry. And here we have it, Thai curry.